It feels a little muted, but once you turn this on, it feels really good. So it starts in electric mode. Hello guys, welcome. After that Lamborghini Temerario, this is our next car from Benz. This is the E53. So we have the Benz guys with us today. That's Sami. So he will be explaining all the goods and bads about this car. So I've just started the car. Like Temerario, even this starts in pure hybrid mode or pure electric mode. So like in Temerario, we have this rotary dials wherein we can switch into whatever we want. Here if we put it in B, this is called battery hold. The engine comes to life and we can give it the revs. So today this video will make it into 3 parts, wherein the first will be in comfort, which means we'll do it in the city. The next will be sport. In the city itself, we'll see how it is easy to overtake and all. And then we'll go into our ORR and check out Sports Plus, and I'll do the launch for you as well. So as I told you, let's put it in comfort and let's start. Comfort mode, we'll cover the suspension as well. We'll see how comfortable it is for daily driving a AMG.
Yes, it gets active body control, adaptive dampers, which gives you a good rush ride.
Okay.
Also, when you put it in the sports, it's become a little stiffer. Also, this car has dynamic engine mount that keeps the engine planted to the chassis so that you can drive it very precisely.
Okay. But the steering, size of the steering is very nice. It has got some nice Napa leather here, if I'm right.
Leather and Dynamica microcut microfiber.
Okay.
It gets a AMG flat bottom steering wheel.
Okay. That's such a nice steering to hold. The quality of the steering is very nice. And is it a CBU or
no,
CKD?
This is a CBU. AMGs are CBUs.
It shows the CBU. The quality inside is brilliant. I mean, like, everything is put to last. Nothing squeaks here compared to CKDs. Any CKD, from any brand, there is light squeaking, etc, etc. But in a CBU, you hardly can find anything. And this AMG especially feels like it's put together solidly.
Yes.
The engine, the steering especially feels it's a right size. Feels so good. Even the metal paddle shifters, I think it's full body metal, right?
Yes, full metal paddle shifters.
Very nice.
Gives you the complete control of the gears. We've got 9G tronic, 9 gears.
Okay.
Which shift using the paddle shifters. Gives you the complete control in the manual mode.
So currently we are going on some bad patch of road, and it seems to hold pretty well. The suspension is handling all the bumps pretty well. It doesn't feel like an AMG because once you put it in comfort mode, it's so soothing. It feels like a normal E-Class. It only turns to something special when you put it in S-Class. That's a very nice dual mentality to have for using it as a daily and for a family. Even in this bad patch of road, okay, it's not jolting the cabin, or no noises are entering the cabin. That's pretty good. So is it double glazed glass?
Yes.
Yes, it's a double glazed glass. So that's why it is containing the sounds pretty well inside the cabin.
You had a completely isolated cabin.
Yeah. So coming to the interiors, there's no hyper screen in India, or is it an option to select from?
You don't have a third screen by default, but you can add it as an option.
Okay.
Yes. Since it's a driver focused car and it's mostly used for track purposes, you don't get the entertainment functions or anything as such, but you can add it.
Is it the new MBUX or what you call MBOX?
MBUX.
This is not MBOX, right?
Experience.
Okay, the new one that is coming up is MBOX, I believe.
All our electric cars get the MBOX, the latest one.
Okay. What is the ground clearance of this, Sami?
We don't officially state ground clearances of any Mercedes-Benz car as of now.
Does it have this option of raising the suspension as
It
such.
doesn't get airmatic anymore.
Okay.
You have the e-active body control only. As I mentioned, this is more of a track-focused car,
Got it.
and it's a plug-in hybrid. Gives you a combined output of 612 horsepower and 750 Newton meters.
612 horsepower. I believe 450 is from the engine and 163 odd is from the electric motor.
Yes.
So I have a doubt here. It might be very silly doubt, but what happens if the battery dies?
Battery doesn't die. It has a recuperation of 120 kilowatts per hour.
So it automatically gets
Yes,
charged.
as you brake, it has a recuperation modes as well.
Got
So
it.
as you brake, the battery regenerates, and it gives you the additional overboost function as well for the quick overtakes.
Got
so that's
it.
what makes it the combined horsepower 612 and 750 Newton meters,
Okay.
and gives you that overboost function, which is a very fun to drive option. Makes you take quick overtakes and everything.
So now we have seen comfort enough. Let us put it in sport and see this, what it has got us. How easy it is to overtake. Let's see that in the city.
See the shift between the responsiveness of the steering and the engine. It starts to roar a little bit.
The suspension got stiffer as well, I guess. It's a 4MATIC or a rear wheel drive?
It's a 4MATIC.
Okay, 4MATIC plus.
Yes, it also gets the rear axle steering up to 2.5 degrees.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. So you can hear the sound, I believe. It's having a nice roar to it. But E53s are generally quite loud, right?
Yes. We used to get E63s that had V8s.
Okay.
But now
This is a
this is a
inline
plug-
6.
Yes, 3-liter inline 6 and an electric motor, plug-in hybrid, which gives you the output same as the E63.
And also through my research, or I've recently got to know that there are sounds pumped into the speakers.
Yeah, you get.
So how do we turn that on or off?
We have the dynamic rotary dials here. You
Okay.
can see this function. You
Ah.
just press it, and the speakers integrate with the engine responsiveness and gives you a little bit added sound experiences.
Whoa. Yeah.
Notice the difference.
Got
if you
it.
want the pure engine and the exhaust note, you can just turn it off over here on the rotary dial, and you can experience the natural sound of the car.
Okay, they have left it out to us.
Yes.
So nobody is there to complain anymore. If you like it, switch it on. If you don't like it, switch it off. I
Yes.
like it, I'll switch it on. Wow, sounds really good. Doesn't sound artificial at all.
It's very well integrated.
Few minutes ago, it was a cool family car. Was not at all AMG-ish, but now, damn, it turned out to be something else only. When you leave, when you drop your kids at the school and you're way back from the school, so this is how your car turns out to be AMG again. So we just thanked Mahavir Motors, right? So in Jubilee Hills, Madhapur, this is their showroom. They have opened another one in Kondapur, which is a fantastic one. I've recently taken a car delivery from them. The whole experience was amazing. My father was really happy. We've taken deliveries of Range Rovers, we've taken deliveries of all other cars, but we were more than happy to take delivery from them because the experience that they gave was absolutely fantastic. Especially the guys and Sami have delivered me the car. He was fantastic. My dad loved him. So hope you guys get to hear that noise now. So that is being played from the speakers. It's adding to the character. I like it a lot. Let me switch it off and show you how normal it is. It does sound good without the audio being pumped from the speakers, but that adds to the character. I've currently switched it off. You just have a sound, listen to it and decide for yourself, is that the future or not? Tami, in the comment section, when I've told them that I'm going to review a E53, people were asking me to ask you whether how is it compared to M5. What's your take on that?
M5, the current generation, the F90, what we had before was the great driving cars, but right now they have made it a little bit heavy,
bulkier.
Yes,
Yeah.
It's more bulkier, it's more weighing than the earlier generation. But this, they have made it very precise, and comparatively to the standard E-Class, this is based on the short wheelbase, and it has an added rear axle steering, which is missing on the M5.
Okay.
So the acceleration, the driving agility, and the fun to drive experience what you get on an E53 pure AMG car is a little bit lagging on the M5, I would say personally. But BMWs are known to be the driver's cars, and we have to give it that. But when you drive an M5 and when you drive a E53 AMG, you can clearly notice the difference, how easily you can drive it, how precise it is, and the difference is clearly noticeable. As the car is,
I have to agree about the weight. This car doesn't show the weight. I think this car is 3,100 odd kgs, but while driving it, you can hardly feel any weight. I've even done a M5 review. It is kinda heavier and it has a lot of body roll, I should say. But this thing, it doesn't feel like that. It feels very composed, and it's very easy to put it in these lanes like this. As I told you guys, the sound is off. Check for yourselves. It feels little muted, but once you turn this on, feels really good. Even on this sports mode, on the speed breakers, it hardly jolts the body. It is very well put together. I'm feeling very confident with the steering as well. The size is perfect. What about the audio systems? I mean, which one do we get a standard?
we do have 17 speaker setup from Burmester, and it gets 4D audio.
Okay,
with
it's
an
3D?
output. Yeah, it's 4D.
4D,
You
okay.
get 2 seat exciters on the each driver and co-driver with 17
boy.
speakers, and gives you an output of 730 watts.
Oh, beautiful.
We also have the ambient lighting plus, and it has a visualization effect which can be integrated with the audio, and it changes the light depending on the beats it is playing on.
Okay. So the special thing about AMGs or any other Benz is the steering and the safety. The steering's, the safety belt holds you tight whenever it senses something is going to obstruct your way.
Yeah.
So it pulled me as soon as someone jumped onto the road there.
We've got 6 parking sensors in the front. That
Okay.
sense if there's any object or any collision is going to happen, and we get a mode called as pre-safe. That will tighten your seat belts, and it will even lower the seats,
Okay.
so that it will gonna sense the impact way earlier, and it's going to react depending on the object.
Got it. The other thing, are the brakes any different from the normal non-hybrid
Yes,
cars?
we get bigger AMG performance brakes compared to the standard E-Class or any other series cars, because AMGs are made for performances, and you get a bigger
But
brakes.
I'm asking, like, are they grabby? I feel they're little grabby because they're hybrid. Because as soon as I step it down, I'll show you again. So we are on 60. There's nothing, and they grab suddenly. Is it because of hybrid?
No, the AMG brakes works as it.
Okay. So you need to be little hard on them.
When you're driving an AMG, you get bigger brakes. Those are AMG dynamic brakes.
Are they ceramic brakes or
Yes.
normal ones?
No, AMG performance brakes.
Okay, got it. So in the part 2, let's put it in sport and launch. So this is a part 1 for you guys in the city. So you hope you understood how it is to drive in the city, how easy it is to drive in the city and overtake the cars. It has dual personality, as I told you. Once you put it in comfort or only electric mode, it becomes an absolute family car, and once you put it in AMG, it turns out to be something else only. Thank you guys.